So, last video was our amaryllis, the sparkly plant orchid, and African violet. So, this is a terrarium. And terrariums are really cool because if you like plants but you don't like to work, you're gonna like this. So first I'm gonna talk about the plants. So the plants are, I think this is a baobab plant. I don't know. So then this is an English ivy. There's a succulent. African violet, and then some decorations. So, the thing I like about terrariums, because terrariums aren't just pretty because they aren't just pretty because they have plants, but it has to do with the water cycle. So, first, when you first finish watering this, you have to water it down. Then, the water comes up and fills it and makes a giant invisible cloud up here. Then, a couple weeks later, it will drip down all the back, and then it'll start all over again, up and down, start all over again. And what's cool, and you might need to water it a couple times to get it going, but once you there is this man, and he has a terrarium, and he did not need to water his terrarium for 60 years. So you're probably like this right now. So now let's move on to our favorites. This is a fruit. It's a berry. It's not a blueberry. It's not a raspberry. It's not a blackberry. It's a strawberry. So I know I'm not getting any strawberries because they are because it's winter. It's pretty much, it's the end of fall, even if it's beautiful, 40 degrees. It's in the high 40s. This plant is not making strawberries because it's the end of fall. This was the second plant I got. I've been having it for a while, for a year. So, a lot. So, that's all I'm going to talk about. So, next up is going to be my spring plans. So stay tuned and subscribe. Press the like button or send a comment below. Bye!